Rolling is connection with the sky. As we lift into the air, taking flight, leaving the safety of the earth, and falling to the ground again. Rolling is interaction with the earth. It's an embracing, using all our senses. We accumulate intimate knowledge about surfaces as we roll over them. Rolling is about transitions. It's all the ways we get up and go down. Musashi said, "It might seem difficult at first, but everything is difficult at first." Feldenkrais is overcoming obstacles. It's finding a pathway of ease. It's a soft place to land, because falling is unavoidable. We all fall, we fail, we make mistakes. Feldenkrais is becoming responsive and nimble. We can find novel ways of falling and getting up again and again.